Hey YouTubers, this is Old John. I'm going to make a video today on my latest Worx purchase. I have a weed eater, a blower, and a hedge trimmer from Worx, and I've had success with them, so I decided to make another purchase. It's a vacuum blower. It is electric, has a cord. Found that you can't quite get the volume of air you need with the battery operated units. Someday maybe, when the battery technology improves or whatever. Ordered it last Friday and got it here today, Thursday, through FedEx. So happy with the delivery time. It was $140 and I got 15% off, approximately $21, $22, and $5 or $6 shipping. No, I take it back. The shipping was free, and free shipping. So let's open it up. So the inner box is almost the same size as the outer. Consider the Trivac. It's the Wg524. It's 12 amps, 3-in-1 blower, vacuum, and mulcher. 620 cubic feet per minute, or 18 cubic meters per minute. It also has the high capacity direct to can leaf collection system included, which I thought was an added bonus. It also has the bag. There's the way it's packed. There's the manual. It's in a plastic bag. Looks like the hose is packed around it. Nice large hose. I think it's supposed to be 8 feet long, but will flex to approximately 16. And there's the cloth that goes around the container with a drawstring. I've heard that if this tends to blow off, you can put a bungee cord around it to hook it to a trash can. And here's the more conventional bag that will go over your shoulder. And the main unit itself. Cover over the blower attachment end. There's a label on here to show you how to switch features. It's got a 2-speed, which I like for your blower. This is where you switch between blower and vacuum. It's got a little label on the switch itself. That's an empty box spacer, I guess. And here's the blower tube itself. And that obviously hooks onto the end here. So we'll put it together now. Okay, this tube just slides on. And it has these two places to push on to remove it, and I put it on, then I was going to take it off and show you how to put it on for the video, but I could not get it off. This fits on so tight, which is okay because you won't probably need to take this off anyway. It has this nice attachment on it so you can keep your cords from pulling apart. This is the length, about 12 inches of your cord. This determines the function. This right now is in the suction position. And you just push this and turn it, and then this swings down, and now you're in the blower position. So to attach the bag, it has a release side to it. Just slide it down and it locks in place. Then it has this nice release to take it off. And then you attach the hose, long hose, to use the option to go to the can. You do the same thing. And there's the bag. And like I said before, there's 8 feet of hose. This is connected with a string, so you can take this off if you wanted to. This hose is about 3 inches inside diameter, maybe approximately 3.5 on the outside diameter. Then the bag that you insert over the can or whatever you want has a drawstring on it, and it's got a nice little thing on the end of the drawstring where you can tighten it, and it's got this little lever to allow you to pull that up, and then it'll slide back up. Kind of a nice little feature. The bag, I'll put the statistics on how much it holds here on the screen. One thing I saw was complain about zippers, and this has a nice plastic zipper on it. I had a Toro and it had bags and it had a metal zipper, and it was constantly getting off track, and I literally returned one of them and they gave me another bag, and I had to be extremely careful with the new bag because it would do the same thing. So I really like this zipper based on my experience. And it's a pretty thick bag. Here's the strap, and it's adjustable to put over your arm. As I showed before, this is your on-off switch, and you can go to 2 speeds on the speed. You have a jam on the impeller. You push on this switch on the side, and then it comes off. Okay, you can't see the impeller in this position. Switch around like that, and you can see it. So you can see it when you have it in the blower position. It's a nice metal impeller mulcher, probably about an 1/8 inch thickness. Looks pretty heavy duty to me. Okay, so this is the setup of the system, how it actually works. It just pushes back on like that. pretty fine mulching. I like it. I don't know if it's 18:1, but it's definitely a reduction in volume. Okay, it's pretty finely mulched.